So this one's a short video. All we're going to do in this one is set our camera up so that as our player moves, it kind of lags behind a bit. So as our camera starts to move a little bit, he'll get to about here before the camera starts moving. Likewise, if I jump, I want to wait till I'm a certain point in the air before the camera starts following. Same thing for falling. If I walk off a cliff and I start to fall, the camera just kind of lags behind us. And this is super simple to set up inside of Godot. So I've already got my camera 2D set up as a child of my player. All I have to do is make sure it's selected. I'm going to come over to the side here. Let's go to positional smoothing. We'll enable that. I'm going to shrink that down. Well, I guess for the pixels here, for the speed, the smaller the number, the smoother it is. Depends how slow you want it to go. But for the process call, if we take a look at the script, I'm inside of my player script. We move our player inside of the physics process. In the next couple of videos, we're going to be changing what's in here, but it's still going to be inside of the physics process. So because of that, I want to make sure that I have the callback set to physics. Now, once I have that done, I'm going to come down to the drag and I'll come back to the player here. And then we have the option to have it, that lag for left and right. We can turn that on for horizontal. Likewise, if we want up and down, we can turn on the vertical as well. And then you can play around with the offset, how close you can get to the margins before it actually starts moving. You can play around with the margins too, but for the most part, I almost always leave it to the default. So I'll save this off. We'll start our game up. And now when I move, the camera doesn't move till I get to about here. Likewise, if I start going back, let's go to the next level. There we go. And I'll start moving. I can jump, get up here. Let's jump down. There we go. That's it. I did get an error here. Is this something I just did? I've got to set deferred. Let's see, we've stopped it. And I'll do the set deferred in one of the other videos as it has nothing to do with this. And I want to keep these videos really short and concise to focus on exactly what's supposed to be happening in this video. Anyway, as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.